off to a pretty rough start. Hey yo, welcome to the stream. In the stream, the main objective is to get from around $100 to $500, and yeah, we'll see if that happens. Currently, I opened the trade trying to short this huge pump that happened because, like as you know, if it goes up so suddenly, it must come down at least somewhat, right? So yeah, I was trying to short this move based on this very strong support, but yeah, we'll see if that happens. Currently not looking so good. It blew past the support. Hopefully it doesn't bounce off of it, so yeah, we'll see. You'll see what happens. Is the music too loud or anything? I bet it is. Hope it's better now. Can you write in the chat, is the music volume okay? Please. I'm still messing with the settings, so. Like the candlesticks as well, they're showing huge signs of resistance, right? Like these long wicks, it should go down at least somewhat. I mean, maybe my take profit is way too aggressive with this. If it reaches here, I will make, let's see, I will make, where is the trade? Yeah, I'll make, where is, oh, I see there's a limit order. Okay, so if it reaches my limit price, I will make, no, that's not right. So if it reaches my limit price, I will make over $100, so not bad at all. But as I said, I think it's way too aggressive. Maybe I'll move it somewhere here. And as you can see, I was pretty close to hitting my stop loss. So yeah. Not too stoked about this first trade, even though I thought that, you know, since it made this double top right here, I assumed that it would just go down because that's usually what happens, but then all of a sudden it broke through the support, which is a pretty strong support. So now I'm worried that it will actually hit the stop loss, so we'll see how it goes. Still could go either way. Currently I'm just $8 in the red, but that changes by the second, so closing in on my break-even point, which is 1,524. And this also happens to be resistance here. Oh, support and resistance. So we'll see if it breaks through. I personally think that the momentum is lost on this huge rally that happened today. So I am expecting a pullback of at least like 40%. Let's put up some Fibonacci. So I think a pullback to around this range is not unrealistic, would you say? At least the 50 range. So yeah, I'm shorting. I want to short until then and see what happens. My guess is if it goes through this strong support, it should go down at least somewhat. But I could be in this single trade for a while, you know. Oh, by the way, guys, if you want to get like $100 for free, you can click my link in description, sign up to Bybit, and if you deposit $1,000, they will airdrop you $100 for absolutely free. You can withdraw it, and yeah, it's pretty cool promotion that they're doing. So I would take advantage of that. So yeah. Oh, I want to see it break through the support so bad, guys. And if you're new to trading, this is what trading literally is. It's just you placing a bunch of orders and hoping for the best, you know. Okay, we have some movement. Okay, not so bad, not so bad. A little more momentum. Oh, but the MACD is already at like -1, so I don't think there's enough momentum for a long red candle in this move. Oh no, it's going quite a bit. Let's see. It's messing at my break-even point on this chart. So yeah. Okay, we're in money. $3 profits. Long ways to go still. I don't know, I might actually move the limit order to right about here. And it's really cool on Bybit, you can actually move your limit order just like this. And you don't have to manually enter it every time like you do on other exchanges. So that's really cool. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, there's a nice red candle. It has broken through. I hope it closes as a full candle. If that happens, there's potential for more downwards action, which I really hope happens. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. There's huge red candle forming as breaking back through the strong support which we had. So let's see what's here. Almost $7 in profit. Well, it doesn't mean anything unless it hits the limit order, right? So it could be a long way to this take profit order. I don't like the MACD here. It's already way over 1, which typically means that it's oversold. So yeah, that's what I thought would happen. I'm now thinking maybe I should just take profit now and play with the trend, trade with the trend, and take these trades based on MACD. So write in the chat what you think I should do here. Because currently you're right about at break even, but with the fees I would lose like $2. Nothing crazy. And if we take a look at these 1 hour candles, there's also, I would say, quite a big rejection, wouldn't you say? Like, look at these. You're still right at our entry price. I would like to see another huge red candle. Maybe then I would consider taking profits, but How much is Bit paying you for their promotional stream? Are you able to disclose that information? I don't think I can say, but they're not paying me anything additionally to what they're paying me like month to month. We have a deal where they're paying me month to month to mention the platform and show their platform in my videos. So yeah, it's more than the minimum wage in my country, I think. So that's all I can say. Sorry, I don't want to ruin the partnership, you know. Uh, by the way, how is the stream quality from your end? Is it okay? Is the music good volume? Now it looks like we're seeing it rejecting the strong support from the other side. Oh no, it's way off the support. My bad. Long ways to go. There's no music when you ain't talking, we just hear you breathing super loudly. Oh shit, like there's playing music from my end. I don't know why you're not get. Oh shit. I see the problem now. Well, let me fix all the audio problems real fast. For some reason the music is not playing on the stream, but before it was. And now you can hear some. Now you can hear some dogs, right? The stream delay is huge. Well, That's the default delay. I can't do nothing about it, unfortunately. Hmm. 90 seconds, or how do you know that it's 90 seconds? Can you hear some music now? There should be some music now. Oh, the 90 seconds delay is because I was fucking around with the audio, so I was not reading the comments. So yeah, it's not as bad. I think it's like 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Crypto Other, welcome to the stream, bro. We are still at right about our break-even price or entry price, so nothing interesting yet. Looking for a huge rejection from this point, but you know, not so sure it's going to happen, because now it's looking like it's breaking out into an uptrend instead of a reversal. So we might hit your stop loss with this one. It's just a random live music playlist on YouTube. This must be the most fucking boring trade ever. Suddenly there's like no volume. Yeah, the volume died down so much. I guess because everyone is waiting what's going to happen at this point with the price movement. If we break past this point again, I guess there's going to be surge of volume again, so I don't know if that happens. Just wait it out, I guess. Heading straight for the stop loss, it seems. Okay, we were stopped out of the trade. Okay. Another rally on 5-minute charts. Let's see where this goes. Yeah, obviously looking back at the chart, the MACD strategy would have worked so well in this scenario. Look, entering trades based on these MACD spikes. Do you have any open trades at the moment? No, I was stopped out. I was just stopped out of this trade. So waiting for new opportunities. I kind of want to enter here again on a short because there might be another pullback, and as the higher it's going, the less likely it's going to go higher, right? So let's see what. I might enter on another short here. Fuck it, let's do it. I feel like the trend is getting weaker and weaker, and yeah, it has risen so much today already. Like, what is it, like 6%? Yeah, 6%. So I guess now it's not just kind of gambling with this trade, guessing where the true resistance is. Let's set the stop loss. And yeah, like in Bybit, as I mentioned before, that you can move stop loss accordingly, just like this. And now it's $17. I want to give it enough wiggle room, so. And the stake profit, I would set somewhere. I'm just now realizing that this is horrible risk to reward ratio trade, so. Like holy shit, I'm just realizing now that my computer is like fucking melting in this heat. And it's getting increasingly difficult to do anything on this PC. So we'll see how long I can stream for. Okay, I'm back, and once again we are jiggling at our entry price. Just so boring, the volume is so low and it's painful to scalp this market. But you might be thinking, why am I shorting in an uptrend, right? Well, I'm willing to lose like 10 trades just to catch the downfall of this huge green candle stack right here. Like, there hasn't been a red candle on the hourly chart in like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours, right? So it's inevitable that it's going to happen, and it's going to be quite huge. Like, that's what always happens, like almost always, right? For example, here there was a similar like spike, but that was in downtrend, so it's a different example. It was immediately followed by a huge sell-off, same as here. Like, the price went up significantly and it came back down. Well, I'm now not expecting it to go down as much, but it will go down somewhat. So as I said, I'm willing to lose 10 trades to catch when it's going to fall down back again. So that's why I'm entering uh, short positions on on an uptrend, because on paper it should pay back all the money that I lose with the losing trades that I'm making now, and then some. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm willing to lose some trades trying to catch the falling when it falls back down, right? And almost always, without a fail, there is a correction for such sudden huge spikes. And here it's happening in the opposite way, right? Here it dropped like, again, like 8%. That's like 8%, 6%, okay? And immediately after, it went back up somewhat. So I'm expecting it to go down at least to 50% Fibonacci levels. If that happens this time, well, I don't know. That's a whole nother question. But yeah, one thing that does worry me slightly is that we actually did break through the $500 mark, which is a huge mental barrier, right? Which is right here, and we're way past that already. So if there's one thing that worries me, is that we're past both $500 mental barrier and this strong support right here. So yeah, it could be a while for it to turn around and go back down. Yeah, the plan is simple. Try to catch it coming down to 50 Fibonacci level, and if it does a double bounce or double tap, I would enter a long position. Let me draw it out on the chart. So I think something like this could happen and it go back up somewhat. So I would enter a long position when it comes back to the 50 Fibonacci level right about here. If that happens, well, honestly, my today's predictions have been shit. So yeah, anything could happen. But no, I think dropping back to 1,500 level is not out of the question. That's entirely reasonable here in this market, considering we're still in bear market, and this was a huge rally with not a single red hourly candle. So that makes me think there's going to be a drop off. Let's see what happens here. A whole $2 in the money. Nice. And if you want to get like $100 airdrop to you, uh, all you have to do is sign up to Bybit using my link in description, and if you deposit $1,000 and make one trade, you will get $100 airdropped into your wallet, which you can instantly withdraw. So that's nice. Anyways, I made some nice trades earlier today. Right here, I was actually expecting the price to go opposite direction that it did, because there was this, I think it was something like this, there was a wedge pattern forming right here, and I entered the short position here, right about here, and obviously it was a fake out and went completely the other direction, and I lost like $40 on that. But before that, I was quite successfully shorting this sideways trend, made some money. I think I'm in the green today, not by much, but yeah, it's at least something. Okay, we're seeing some action, not much. $8, hell yeah. I don't know, I guess I will let my limit order hit if it reaches that, and then I will see if there's real reversal happening. I will enter, like I will look for better entry than this, because this entry was just pure guessing that it could reverse at this point. But yeah, now I'm not so sure that's going to happen so soon, since it's been diddling around for quite a bit. Okay, there seems to be some selling action happening, but yeah, the order books are still bullish. As you can see right here, there's much more green. People are eager to get into this point, 1524. As you can see, there's a lot of money there. We're kind of close to the first win of this live stream, which is merely $16. But you know, on like I started with $80. That would be like 20% or something like that. Come on, come on, come on. Let's get this filled. Let's get this filled. So close. What I used to do back in the day, actually, I would just, when it was this close, I would move my limit order to be executed immediately. I would just move it up slightly to secure more trades. But yeah, in long term, I was losing more money by exiting trades too early. So now when I set take profit and stop loss, I just let it play out. Sometimes I move stop loss a bit if there's huge surge incoming. So yeah, we're so close to this getting filled. Okay, first win of the day. $15, hell yeah. We are back to $84 with our previous loss, which was significant to say the least, like $40. But anyways, there's a long ways to go. Now, what I would like to see in the perfect world, let's draw some fucking lines. Ideally, it will bounce off of here, make another shoulder, maybe like this, and then it could go down. So my plan, if that happens, is to enter the shoulder at this point. Like, if we go by the book, you only enter head and shoulders pattern once it breaches the shoulder line, which would be this line right over here, right? But since you're trading with such a small account, I'm willing to take even more risk than trading with 50x leverage. So if it starts forming head and shoulders pattern, I would enter at peak of the shoulder. So that would be like here. Okay, so now let's wait for the next trade, which hopefully I can enter right here. And yeah, we're seeing some resistance happening here. So that means you have to wait for 20 to 30 minutes now to enter the trade. Well, yeah, that's the case, but you know, that's not too long because good opportunities, maybe there are like 5 per day total. So now with the stream, I'm really stretching it thin and trying to see opportunities I would never normally enter when I trade when not streaming. But you know, since this is a stream, I'm willing to take more risk and try some riskier things. So yeah, maybe 15 to 20 minutes till the next trade. Well, let's see what happens. If it breaks down even, there's another possibility, right? So the price could move like this and hit this level, bounce up, and go back down. So in this case, well, that's another 20 minutes or so. But in that case, I would ideally enter right here with the limit order. So let's gamble. Hell yeah. I mean, this definitely feels gambly, right? But at least I'm following some sort of strategy or looking at price action and candles. So now let's see which one of these scenarios play out. Okay. If another shoulder forms here, well, there's a high possibility that the price will drop to the 50 level. So I would really like to see that happen during the stream. That would be easy, like $100 to $120, I think. Let's see if I enter here. Fuck. Like these drawing tools sometimes drive me crazy. But anyways, from here to here is like 2% times 50. That's 100%. And if we enter trade with like 75%, that's 60. That's quite nice profit. I'm going to enter with limit order because I have like price target in mind. So it's always better to enter with limit orders, and that's what I do when I'm trading, like when I'm not streaming. Because first, if you use limit orders on most platforms, you actually get paid. Like you don't pay fee, they pay the fee to you if you use limit orders. So that's really nice, and you can enter at much better price points than using market orders, because market orders can, like, if there's huge price movement, you can get really fucked with market orders and entered way later than you initially anticipate. But with limit orders, you only enter at your set price or better. Keyword is or better. You never enter at worse times, like, or worse price points. But with market order, let me give you an example. So for example, let's say that you decided that you want to catch this uptrend and you entered with market order here, okay? But since the price is so volatile, what actually happens, your order gets filled maybe here, okay? So there's like 0.40% difference from what you enter and what you actually get. But if you enter with limit order, well, there's another risk. If you use limit order, if price moves too suddenly, your order might not get filled at all, and you might not actually enter trade, right? So if you enter with limit order, for example here, and the price shoots all the way to here, maybe your order won't get filled. But if it does, it definitely will get filled at this price or better, okay? So that means lower. So yeah, limit orders definitely way more like useful than market orders. I do use market orders from time to time, for example when there are huge price movements and I don't want to fuck around with finding around what's the best price for a limit order. I just market order in and ride these trades for like 1 or 2 minutes and exit them, and yeah. definitely don't want to use market orders for trades like this where you kind of predict where the price will go, because why would you? You just put limit order at your desired price and let it be, and let it fill, and if it fills, it automatically sets your stop loss. And yeah, it's much more better way to trade. If another green candle forms, I will most likely set up a limit order for this price point for another shoulder. I will see what happens. Currently it looks like it's forming another peak or shoulder. One 1534 is your entry for short. Yes, that would be correct. So I'm just waiting for this candle to close, because obviously if it shoots way past this line, I won't enter the limit order, because that would make my prediction invalid. But if it doesn't go past here and it closes like so near it, yeah, I will enter limit order, set stop loss above here. Stop loss at 1544.45, and then we will see if it plays out like I think it will. Another thing I like in Bybit is that you can set percentages for your stop loss, so it's really nice. Twelve more seconds before I decide what I will do. Let's see. Okay, it closed. Let's go with the limit order. Maybe it will. Okay, fuck it, let's do it. So as you can see, a limit order is now on the charts, and I can move it however I want. And yeah, it might not get filled. That's another thing. If another shoulder forms lower, it won't get filled. So we'll have to see what the price action is here. And you'll see as soon as if it hits this limit order, as soon as it fills, stop loss will be placed automatically on the chart, like right about here. And then I will manually set up take profit with limit order as well. Okay, some nice action upwards. Yeah, it's really boring trading with such a low volume, but there's still things you can do if you're patient and you look for patterns and just read the charts. Wait for hard red candle and go long. Well, that's not bad idea at all. Bullish trend from EMA crossings. Okay, if this limit order doesn't get filled, I will go long on next red candle. But if it does, I will go short on the head and shoulders pattern. Let's put TMAs back on the chart. Where are they? Okay, so EMA is crossed right over here, 50 EMA into 100 EMA. So yeah, should have used the MACD strategy here, definitely. It's not getting filled yet, but we're very close. So since it's kind of rejecting off of this line, this could confirm that another shoulder will form, but you know, you never know, you never know. Okay, order filled. We are officially in trade. So let's see how much I will lose with this. Oh, okay. Yes, it just filled. And we are in trade and possibly... Well, let's see what happens. If it breaks this support right here, the stop, it's bad news for the head and shoulders. But what can you do? Did you go, are you also in short, or are you waiting for like red candle to go long? How long till candle close? 24 seconds. It closed way higher than I would like it to. Take profit at 1522. Okay. So we will both get wrecked with this trade. Nice. Yeah, the delay, that's just something YouTube has for some reason. There's not much I can do about it. I'll check some settings, maybe there is a control that I can reduce or something. Oh yeah, it did. It pulled back quite a bit and it's right at the line, maybe a bit over the line, but yeah. It definitely has potential for the shoulder. You mean placing a trade for like longer term? Yeah, it's playing around this very strong support, so we'll see what happens. I've seen some people on Twitter say that if this support gets rejected, the price can go down to like 1,000, but you know, I don't see it really happening. 1,000 is a long way. It's like 30%, 33%. But yeah, if this support gets rejected, then there could be a huge drop, and that's what I'm trying to catch here. I expect the price to play in the box of 1,520 to 37. Yeah, could be. That's actually one of my favorite setups to trade, when the price is respecting a nice box, like for 3 times or more. It's really easy to make money in these setups. But unfortunately, we haven't had any good ones lately. Hell yeah, it's respecting the shoulder, but too early to say because I only like to judge by candle closes. Should I set my limit order to 1,522 as well? Let's see how much profit I will generate then. $20, let's go for that. Actually, I'll move it a bit higher. And let's see what happens. You're thinking of lowering it now, like moving it up or down? Because we might be thinking different things by lowering. $22.55. Okay. That's just below mine. I think it will hit, but yeah, too early to tell. Yeah, for sure. If it plays out, you have to definitely move it lower. So what I like about limit orders is, look, here you can, for example, set your closing price. For example, yours is 22, right? But then only select to like sell half of your position. So now you have taken like $10 worth of profit if it hits, but you still have half of your position in trade in case the head and shoulders plays out. Then you'll have huge upside for your trade, even with the half of your position. So I might actually go on and do that for the next one, because I want these $20 to have around $100 in the account if this actually plays out. So I use this feature a lot. I mean, where you sell only half of your position or 75% of your position, because sometimes you feel like you want to take profit, but you want to leave something on the table because you have this feeling that, you know, the price might continue to go in your direction. So it's really nice to leave some of your trade, like some portion of it, still in trade, and you can then capture massive upside. And obviously, after you hit your first take profit, you need to move your stop loss to your break-even point, so you don't lose money in case it reverses back. So the most important thing now is that it doesn't break this line right here, because if it does, as I said, it's bad news for head and shoulders. So hopefully it doesn't. Let's put a support here. Where was my stop loss? 142, which is right here. Okay, luckily it didn't break this line at this point, but still candle is not closed. Hmm. 23-second delay. Holy shit, that's a lot. Yeah, I can't find the setting to reduce it because I think I already have it at the lowest possible value. Oh, sheesh. There we go. No head and shoulders for us. What do you think? What is your next move? Wait for red candle, then long, or wait for it to reverse? Let's see where this candle closes. Maybe if it closes below this line, I could short it again. I'm just not feeling like going long when it's already pumped so much. But this could have been 1% play. Sheesh. It would be so funny if it now made the perfect shoulder and go along on the MACD and strong red candle. Well, I might do that as well if we get a good signal. Like if it drops like this, but really strong red candle, not this little shit. So yeah, let's wait and see what happens. For sure, this would been a gamble for sure, yeah. I'm going to get a drink again, so be back soon. what has happened during 5 minutes? Looks like nothing much. Head and shoulders, head and shoulders. Yeah, I see that as well. This still counts. But you know what? It's time for drunk trading. Finally. Cheers. Cheers. I opened another short position while you were away. How did that play out? If this candle closes above this high, you know, then we're officially in trending market in my eyes. You're praying for a pullback. So close to your stop loss. But judging by the wicks, there is strong rejection of these levels, so maybe, just maybe, it will play out. I'll decide based on this candle, since it does know what it wants to do, obviously, so. Yeah, red candle is what we need now. My computer is so laggy with this heat and streaming, like fucking MacBooks. Oh, your stop loss was hit, it looks like. But look at this, there still hasn't been a single red candle. What the hell? I don't want to long in these kind of patterns. Only green candles. But you know, based on this drop, maybe it can go back. Let's try some fractals on this, see what happens. It worked out fairly well with the fractal, you know. So I'm going to use that for the next trade as well. Let's wait for a pullback, maybe then enter long. In September, ETH is imminent to go on a rally due to the merge. Yeah, but I don't know, like, why would it go on a rally? Everyone knows that it's happening, right? Why wouldn't people buy now when the price is like $1,500, down from $4,000 all-time highs? Will it rally the day when the merge happens? Why would that be? Like, people usually want to buy before news. At least that's what I think. So in my opinion, the rally is way overhyped, actually. But that's just my opinion. Because with traditional stocks, for example, if news comes out, price starts to reflect those news. But for Ethereum, the news for the merge, they have been out for ages and still no huge rally. So I don't know what I think about that. I think rally should have already happened since we're so close, and the merge should happen on 6th of September, right? So that's like 1 week away. Maybe this is the rally. Maybe we're watching it happen. I don't know. What do you think? I feel like the delaying of the merge has affected the price as well. Well, definitely, and yeah, well, it's still bear market, right? So yeah, for sure. Something can go wrong and it wouldn't merge. I honestly don't know, like, what is meant to happen, what is meant by the merge, like what is merging exactly. Like, I know that it's moving from proof of work to proof of stake and all that, but you know. Oh, here we go, there's a nice red candle. And this worked out here as well. So it looks like we can use fractals in this trending market for some nice entries or for some nice exits. Are you profitable yet? For the stream I have lost like $20 so far, or maybe more. No, $40, so not profitable. The whale's gonna play everyone like puppets, that's for sure. Yeah, that's what always happens. So there might be a fake rally, to get people to buy, and then it gets fucked. Like, I could see that happen. So let's wait for the same level of pullback on MACD like these two in terms of volume, and then maybe it's time for long. Even when checking Google Trends, the Ethereum is not even close to being searched a lot right now. Yeah, that is odd. I would have thought that by now, because of the merge, everyone would be talking about Ethereum and trying to buy, since there's such a huge news, right? Starting to get a nice pullback here, but let's see what happens. MACD is still low. I'd like to have a bigger value on MACD before entering. By the way, if you haven't checked out already, if you use the link in my description, you can get $100 airdrop if you sign up to Bybit and deposit $1,000 and trade with these $1,000. You will get 100 airdrops straight in your wallet, which you can withdraw as you please. So yeah, that's really nice. Free money basically. Getting a decent sized pullback, but still ways to go before I consider entering the trade. Okay, there we go. What have you been up to business-wise these days? Any fresh ventures? Yeah, I'm still doing affiliate marketing quite a bit. Working on social media. I have a partnership with a guy in Ireland. He has like this huge network of people in his like email list and such, and he asked me if I could make a course on TikTok for him to sell, so we're going on a joint venture on that, which I'm really excited about. That could net a lot of money. So yeah, that's the biggest thing right now, making the course for TikTok for him. And hopefully that works out. If it does, there will be a lot of money made for both sides, definitely. We're going to sell the course for $400 or so, something like that. Other than that, yeah, I'm also looking into the course is about how to sell products and services on TikTok, because I think I have kind of mastered like the TikTok algorithm. So yeah, I'm making a course about that in English for this guy, and we're going to sell it together. Big price point, because there also will be live coaching available and all that, me actually helping these businesses. And yeah, really excited about that, definitely. Also looking into e-commerce. I have ordered few samples, and yeah, I will try to start up an e-commerce store. Found some really nice items with really good margins, so of course I'm going to use TikTok to sell these items as well. So yeah. Is he famous? He's famous in the marketing world, I think. He hosts marketing conferences. Yeah. Are you getting any sales now? Yeah, e-commerce with the organic TikTok is so good. Like, it's literally free traffic. If this goes below 153, we could see good red candle. I think it's time to go long now. I think it's time to go long. What do you think? It's showing signs of rejection here, so fuck it, I'm going long. I'm impatient. Oh no, I created a limit order. Let's create this with market. Fuck it, let's go. It's definitely risky. But I'm in gambling mood right now, so shit. Should have waited a bit. Let's set the stop loss. I would say here. Have you figured out a way to incorporate TikTok in affiliate marketing? Yeah, definitely. It's like it's same as with e-commerce. You just have to show. You just have to show your product being used and talk a lot about your product. So affiliate marketing is really good on TikTok. You just have to choose a niche in which you can make a lot of videos for. You're getting like 5 to 7 orders a week. Is that an expensive item or something? Did you enter a short here? Since your take profit is at 1,526. You can just make one product web page and post TikToks with it. Yeah, definitely. A lot of people do it and it works really well. I have done it as well. So entered short 138. Nice. So this could be quite profitable for you. Are you dropshipping the product or are you making it yourself or something? Dropshipping. Okay. And you're making TikToks in Sweden. In Sweden, and where are you getting your most of your orders from this TikTok? Where are you getting most of your views from? Like, are you doing something to target countries outside Sweden, or is it happening naturally? Because that's one of the things that I'm trying to still figure out. I had some success with targeting United States, but my accounts get banned real fast. Oh, I see. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I have now ordered the product from Alibaba, a product sample, which costs like $11 shipped to me. But this product costs on Amazon, on German Amazon, it costs 200 euros. So I think I can sell this product in my country using TikTok quite easily for like 50 euros and get 40 euros or something like that profit per unit sold. I think that's possible. And also try to sell it on German Amazon, since the product is insanely expensive there, like $200 when it costs $11 shipped. And the sample cost me like 50 euros shipped to me, so even with the sample costs I could be profitable with German market, I think. Yes, I am from Latvia. Oh yeah, he's doing really good with TikTok. Did you saw him on your TikTok? It's crazy. He's making so much money with TikTok. He revealed in one of his videos that he sold like $1 million in revenue with these Roomba robots based on TikTok. Like, yeah, I don't know if it's true, but he said it in one of his videos that he had $1 million revenue from just one product. So I'm guessing he's doing fine, right? I don't know if he's ambassador, but he sells a ton of things from them. So he's the main, I would say, distributor in Latvia. All sales, one of his videos went viral and got like million views, and he got sales from out of Latvia as well. So, but mainly from Latvia, yes. He's doing quite well in Latvian market, and his videos are so simple. I think like everyone can take a product and sell it on TikTok. So. I've been mostly selling digital products so far, but yeah, I will make a transition into physical goods as well, e-commerce. So we'll see how that goes. But I think the product I found will do really well in this country. Alibaba for EU. Oh, maybe, yeah. I don't know much about the brand, honestly. You think e-commerce will be more profitable than affiliate marketing? Well, it depends, because it depends what you target. I think starting from zero, if you want to make like, let's say $5,000 a month, okay, I think e-commerce will be easier, but e-commerce requires upfront investment. Like I will now have to, like if I like the product I receive, I will have to pay like 5,000 euros to get a lot of units shipped to me, so I can keep the costs down and actually make profit. Because if I order these units one by one, they cost 50 euros. But if I order them in batches where I pay 5,000 euros, they cost only 11 euros. So you have to have upfront cash for e-commerce. But for affiliate marketing, you need like $50 max to start. And you can still make $5,000 per month with affiliate marketing, but it's going to be harder, but it will require less money. So it's hard to say what's more profitable. That entirely depends person to person. Like what kind of person are you, what do you like to do. Yeah, definitely 1 to 2 day shipping is a huge bonus. What niche your product in? It's in like home decor niche. It's a really cool way that you can transform your walls into something completely different. What is realistic income from affiliate marketing for beginner? Like on what time frame are you looking for? If you're looking for 1 month, if you have no knowledge and if you have no one to ask, and if you're starting from absolutely zero, then I would say it would take maybe over a year till you can replace affiliate marketing with your job. But if you're learning from something or someone, oh, it's not Russian carpet. But if you're learning from someone, or you have, or you're following like a YouTube video or something, or a guide, then I think you can be profitable in a month. But like, it's hard to say. If I started now from zero, I could get a website or affiliate business to like $500 to $800 per month I think in 1 month easily. I actually showed on TikTok how I started like a small Amazon side hustle, and I spent literally 1 week and it's now making me like $350 per month or something. I don't know that guy. No idea who that is. I'm not that guy. Yeah, as I said, like if you're following specific strategies, it's not hard at all to make money. Like the biggest problem people face is that they just give up way too easy and way too soon. Like people who treat it like a real business and dedicate, for example, 2 hours per day to it constantly for months, they will make money. But those people who like only work on their business when they feel drived or when they feel like it, like maybe once a week, these are the people who give up too easily. They lose that passion, most likely, for their websites, and they don't make any money. But the people who constantly grind for prolonged periods of time, for months, these are the people who make thousands of dollars per month in the end. Something in my eye. Yeah, it's wall decor. Like, I don't want to give away my product, but it's something businesses could use to make their like receptions more pretty. It's something people at home could use to spice their walls up, their balconies. You could even put it outside. So I think it's a really good product, because a lot of balconies in Latvia, they look like shit, like old Soviet era balconies. And with just 2 or 3 of these units that I'm going to sell, you can really spice up the look of your like surroundings. Do you read? I don't read. I listen to audiobooks a lot, because I can't currently, with the daughter, I can't find time in the day to actually sit down and read. So I listen to books instead. I really like Audible, so yeah, a lot of books there. Definitely a Russian carpet. Yeah, for sure. I hope as well, because TikTok will be like, at least at the beginning, the main marketing tool for this e-commerce business. Afterwards, I will use Google ads and Facebook ads, because I know how to set them up as well. But there's nothing better than TikTok to start up a business, I think. You can get sales so fast there, and you can validate your idea really fast. Yeah, I really like TikTok as a platform. I have so many ideas for TikTok, but I just don't have the time right now. When's the product coming in? The agent shipped it out yesterday, and he said that it will reach me in like 1 week, so like 6 more days. And then I want to quality check the product, see how it feels in hand. So yeah, 6 more days till I receive the product. Yeah, you have only link in your bio, but that's more than enough, right? what else do you need? You can put link tree and put more links, but you don't need that. You can either, like, the best way to do affiliate marketing on TikTok is to offer something for free and then make people sign up to your email list, and then you can market to that email list forever. Is it being dropshipped by anyone yet? I haven't seen anyone dropshipping this product, no. I've seen something similar on TikTok, but not quite the same thing. On TikTok, NFT, crypto, and everything similar is blacklisted. You don't get any views. Yes, there is issue where your videos will get banned, and I have that happen to me a lot, like a lot. Like every third of my crypto video is deleted, so I'm not posting that much anymore. Okay guys, after this trade is done, I will likely go get some sleep since there is a storm coming in tomorrow, and I need to be fresh in the morning to go kite surf in the storm. So yeah, got to get some sleep. And we have been streaming for how long? 2 hours already, not bad. What's your name on TikTok? It's I will write in chat. Where are you from? I am from Latvia, which is in the Baltic states. It's near Russia, Estonia, Lithuania, not far from Finland. Guys, my dog is trying to get into the room. Do you want to see my dog? Anyways, I'm gonna let my dog in. That's true. That's true. How much did you profit since you are streaming? I lost like $40 so far. But yeah, as I mentioned before, since this is a stream, I was taking way more riskier trades I would usually take, so just for the sake of stream. It's actually a very small dog for the breed. It's very small specimen. It just looked big on the camera, I guess. So how is this trade going to go? Plus drinking, well, just a bit of drinking. When the trades are not going your way, what else can you do? Get fucking drunk, so then you have excuse for losing money, okay? That's my strategy. Bye. See you in Discord. Are you usually win more trades? Yeah, my win rate is like 65%. And more or less I'm profitable, so yeah, I win more than I win on the stream. So I actually wanted to do a stream for a whole day, but it was, damn it, it was so hot I was not able to stream. And now, even now it's so hot, it's hard to stream, my computer is laggy, so I've got a Discord, but that's not for the YouTube. It's a group, a paid group that I started last month, where I have posted some courses in Latvian language and some more information about how to start various affiliate businesses and stuff like that. Damn, what strategy are you using if your win rate is 30% and you're profitable? Can you share the strategy? Or are you just using your intuition? I have around, for the Discord, I have around 150 members from who I got from obviously TikTok as well. And yeah, it's going fairly well. People are trying out the methods I'm posting. Some people are already making some money. Mainly I'm using week off. I haven't heard of that strategy. Can you send a link maybe here on the chat? I will check it out later. Since I can't really use YouTube now, since it's so laggy. But anyways. I'm over trading. Yeah, I have sometimes the same issue where I'm over trading, so Okay, I will take a look, and I think I'm going to end the stream here. Since there's so little volume, I just don't feel like waiting for it to close, so I'm going to go to sleep, I think, and see how this trade turned out in the morning. So thank you everyone for watching, and hope you're subscribed. How much is the Discord? It's for the first 100 members it was €5, and for the last 50 members I raised the price to €10. So yeah, you can calculate, like, now it's about €1,000 per month recurring. Yeah, Nico, see you in the next stream. Glad you were here. Really enjoyed chatting with you. And Horoma, to you as well. I'm going off. Glad you were here. Always nice chatting with you guys. So